Hello guys, today we're going to unbox the potty trainer that I bought off from Wish. My kid is about 3.5 years old and she's using the potty trainer that looks like a mini toilet, and I think she's ready for an upgrade. So that's why I bought this one. This is the type where you will put it on top of the adult toilet. So without further ado, let's open this box right now. Scissors on the side. Okay, first off we got the step wood. Second is, I believe, the legs. Here you go. There's an installation guide here and the toilet seat for the kid and the screws that are needed to put it together. Looks durable. This one looks comfy. We're kind of done actually, so I am going to put this down. I am going to put it on top of the toilet seat and observe my daughter how she uses it, like if she's going to be comfortable with it or anything or something. But then again, I believe that she's ready for this one, in preparation for her to use the adult toilets. So that's it, and thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.